Okay, so welcome back. So sa video na to, solve natin tong lab na to, file path traversal, validation of file extension with null byte bypass. So this lab contains a path traversal vulnerability in the display of product images. The application validates that the supplied file name ends with the expected file extension. To solve the lab, retrieve the contents of etcpasswd. So in-expect natin na nag-check siya ng file extension, no? So let's take note of that. So let's load the lab and let's visit one of the images. Open image in new tab. And ayan, no? So 66.jpg, no? So try natin initially yung ginagawa natin na // lang, etcpasswd. And sinasabi sa atin na no such file. So meaning hindi niya nare-retrieve, no? So sabi dun sa lab na chine-check niya daw yung file extension. So maybe kailangan may .jpg. Pero ngayon, kapag ka may .jpg na, ang hinahanap na niya is etcpasswd.jpg na file. Hindi yung etcpasswd na file itself. So pwede natin gawin is dagdagan natin na null byte, let's say %00, before the .jpg. Okay, so let's hit enter. And ayan, nag-load na yung ating icon. And if we look at the request, so na-retrieve na natin yung buong contents ng etcpasswd. So, ang nangyari dito, essentially, is sa backend, chine-check niya, okay, valid yung file extension natin, .jpg siya, or image yung extension na rin-request ng user, pero, hindi niya na-take into account na may null byte. So, essentially, yung null byte, parang pinuputol niya yung laman nung naging file name. So, instead na etcpasswd%00.jpg yung hinanap niya, ang nahanap niya is yung etcpasswd na file. Okay? So, I hope na-gets nyo tong lab na to and see you in the next video.